Coaches and course creators, your business will come to end if you can't get leads. Yes, that moment when you realize you don't have any leads, end of coaching business. Now watch this video till the end and you will understand why coaches struggle to generate leads and sales. Now, how to solve this problem for your life? The main point is not to solve the problem for just some time, for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, but actually to solve the problem for your life. So first step is build marketing assets. Yes, now to attract a customer, you would have to nurture them. You have to give them some value. You have to have something to give to them so that they know what you are doing, right? And that is called a marketing asset. Now, marketing asset can be sold for 2 to 3 years. You have to build that marketing asset that can act as your authority, your lead generation system, and can be used for more than 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. But now coaches make an ebook or PDF which actually becomes irrelevant in 2 to 3 months. Your marketing asset is dead, and eventually your lead generation is dead, right? So what are different type of marketing asset? First is webinar. Second is VSL video. Third, books. Physical books can be your marketing asset. Fourth, templates for your niche, templates for your business. Then a mini course, a free audit. All these are marketing assets and can act as your unlimited lead generation mechanism. Now, many of you create these assets for very short term period, very short time. And more importantly, you put very little or no extra efforts to actually make this a best marketing asset, right? Now, you create only one marketing asset, and that is the big reason to fail. So we have to create more marketing assets, right? Now moving forward, then you have multiple marketing assets. You can generate unlimited leads. Build 3 to 4 different assets, get leads into your funnel, and you will always get leads. Now you might be telling Sagar that still we have to spend on ads to get leads for this asset. Absolutely yes, you have to do paid ads. I'm not telling that once your marketing assets are ready, you will not have to do ads. You will have to do ads, but you need quality assets. Okay, once they come onto your email list, you will start nurturing them. You give value, eventually they become your paid customers. Second, create more content to generate leads. After you have marketing assets, you will create more content to generate leads, right? Now, more content you create, more leads you get. Best part is that when they buy your marketing assets via your content, now you can nurture them via email. So I have seen many coaches creating content without assets. That's where they fail. That's where the list is not being generated. Okay. Now many of you might be doing webinars and you might be thinking that webinar is our marketing asset. Wrong. I am losing customers who don't have time to attend the webinar and register webinar. Again, a second mistake is you would be losing those customers who are not attending your webinar. But now if they are not attending your webinar, it's our responsibility is to give them some asset, a mini course, nurturing video. You have to send them via emails so that they get nurtured, eventually come on to your webinar and eventually buy your product. Okay, so that's the reason we need asset. Third, do paid ads. This is very important. Run ads to promote your assets and eventually bring in the leads. Now, many of you feel organic is very good. Organic is very good. Many coaches promote that you can build money doing organic. It's hard, right? And when you have right assets, paid ads can do wonders for you. Okay, for our clients at Funnels Traffic, we are doing paid marketing, generating assets, getting leads, nurturing them, making them buy, and eventually making profits. Do that, you will never regret it. Thank you.